Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be exploring what interjections are, how they're used, and some common examples of interjections in English. So let's get started. Interjections. An interjection is a word or phrase that is used to convey a strong emotion or feeling. They're often followed by an exclamation mark. Some common examples of interjections include wow, oops, ouch, and hooray. Let's take a closer look at different types of interjections and how they're used in everyday language. Types of interjections: interjection of greeting, interjection of joy, interjection of surprise, interjection of attention, interjection of approval, interjection of sorrow. Interjections of greeting. The interjection of greeting expresses the emotion of warmth. To meet with any person, such as hello, hey, hi there, or good morning. For examples, hey there, how are you doing? Or good morning, everyone. Interjections of joy. The interjections of joy are used to express joy or excitement on a particular occasion, such as yay, wow, hooray, awesome, or fantastic. For examples, yay, we won the game, or hooray, it's finally the weekend. Interjections of surprise. The interjection of surprise, used to express the feeling of surprise for any incident that has happened, such as what, oh my goodness, or holy cow. For examples, what, are you serious? Or, oh my goodness, I can't believe it. Interjections of attention. These interjections are used to get someone's attention that you're about to say something important, such as listen, excuse me, look, behold, hush. For examples, hush, Robin, warn Smith, or excuse me, I have something important to say. Interjections of approval. These interjections are used to express agreement or affirmation in a sentence, such as yes, okay, all right, or got it, well done, brilliant, etc. For examples, yes, I agree completely, or all right. Let's get started. Interjections of sorrow. The interjection of sorrow is used to express the emotion of sadness that something terrible happened in a sentence, such as damn, alas, ouch, oops, oh sad, etc. For examples, ouch, it's hurting a lot, or alas, he got fractured in his right hand. Interjections are an important part of the English language, and they can be used to convey a wide range of emotions and feelings. By using interjections in your speech and writing, you can add emphasis, convey tone and mood, and make your communication more engaging and effective. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content.